Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create family profile in ASUS router. To do this, we'll need to click on the Family tab inside the ASUS app, and then you'll see something like this. You can add a different profile to manage internet activity, and there's a different years in category. There's a preschooler, school-aged child, teen, and adult. And in this case, we're gonna go with the adult, and you can set your member's name, change their picture if you like. I'm gonna leave it as it is. And then if they are connected to the network, you'll be able to select their device as bound to their profile. And we can set up the offline schedule and also in reverse online schedule. Let's go with the online schedule. Then you'll be able to add the different schedules with add button. You can select different days of a week and then different hours when it should begin, that is online, and when it will end. And you can also select all day if you like. Then when you're ready, click on done and your schedule should be set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.